Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Digital Classroom. And in Digital Classroom we talk about photography, lighting, retouching and of course also video editing. Today we have a very quick tip for you guys if you have several clips in Premiere and you want to have one uniform look. So join us for today's episode of Digital Classroom. Hey guys, so we have three clips over here and let's say I want one universal look on this one. Now, of course I can click on this one, do my settings, let's say a little bit more of this, pull down the highlights, give a little bit of more extra shadow, and I can just copy this to the rest, but well, that's a lot of work and sometimes it just isn't what you want. So what you can do is actually go here, File, and then do New, and then go for an adjustment layer. Now, of course you can do this on the same resolution as your video file, and now I can actually just drag that adjustment layer on top. The cool thing about the adjustment layer is that I can literally just drag it over all the files. I can even cut in here if there's a file that I don't want to use it on, but this is just one adjustment layer. And in that adjustment layer I can make my settings. So let's do an extreme setting so you guys can actually see that it works on everything. And there you go. Now just drag that pointer, there we go, and you can see that all the files are now, well, adjusted by that adjustment layer. You can even just cut out, as I told you before. So let's say that we want to cut a little bit here, and let's say here, and just take that out. Okay, and now you can see that the adjustment layer works here, and when we go here, it doesn't work, and here it works again. So it's a really fast way of just tinting your images or just doing adjustments, and you don't have to do it for every single clip. Now let's say you want all the clips black and white, you just go to your adjustment layer and you just make them all black and white. Of course black and white is way more than just lowering the saturation, but you know what I mean, right? Now because I cut, we now actually have two different adjustment layers. So make sure that if you cut that you do remember that you now have two different adjustment layers. Now what you could do is of course just drag one adjustment layer over your whole sequence and then just do your general adjustments, and then of course add another adjustment layer where you can start cutting and do the rest. For example, if you want half of the clips black and white or whatever, you have a lot of options with those adjustment layers. Okay, I hope you like these tips. If you like what we do, subscribe to the channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button because we really like that. But most of all, share these tips and tell other people about our channel so we can grow. See you again next time. Bye guys.